Lauren, thank you. We have new details on a class action lawsuit just filed today against Bitwise Industries. As CBS 47's Catherine Phillips explains, the lawsuit alleges Bitwise violated state laws and issued checks to employees that they knew could not be cashed.
8 former Bitwise industry employees are now part of a class action lawsuit against now former Bitwise CEO Jake Soberall and Irmer Oljan, along with the entire board of the Fresno-based tech company. Attorney Roger Bonakdar and Brian Wayland filed the 24-page lawsuit in the Fresno County Superior Court on Wednesday.
The claims here are very clear. You can't explain away wage theft.
The lawsuit alleges Bitwise violated California's WARN Act when they failed to notify their 900 employees they were being furloughed last week. Bonakdar also says he considers these furloughs to be layoffs, as he alleges the company has no intention of bringing them back to work. He says just before the furloughs were announced, employees were switched from direct deposit to paper checks. He says those paper checks couldn't be cashed. Despite this, he says workers still reported to work for another week and says during this time, the company fully knew they couldn't pay the wages. He says as of now, they still haven't been paid. Additionally, the lawsuit also shows the company says they had $81 million in the bank just this past March. Bonakdar says this information was likely misleading and was used to get a loan.
If you are going to represent that you have $81 million in liquidity, only very recently, then how do you explain away not being able to make payroll?
He says more employees are likely going to be added to the suit and says they are still investigating just how troubled Bitwise really was.
People have bounced rent checks. Their car payment checks have bounced. They're worried about how they're going to get health care for their children because they counted on Bitwise's health care programs to get their children the care they need. And now all of that has just disappeared.
There's not a monetary value listed in the lawsuit at this point, but the attorney for the former employees says they are suing for lost wages, the severance pay employees should have gotten, as well as other penalties. Reporting in the studio tonight, Catherine Phillips, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.
Workforce Connection is hosting 2 events on Friday to help Bitwise employees at the office on Shaw Avenue near Millbrook. There'll be a couple of sessions, one at 10 in the morning, the other at 2 in the afternoon. You can register online, and we have more information about this on our website, yourcentralvalley.com.